They did not arrive in silver ships, descending from the heavens in a blaze of light. No trumpets heralded their coming, no grand announcements were made. Instead, they grew among us. A quiet tide, unseen, unnoticed by most. A subtle shift in the human story. Evolution takes many paths, often hidden in plain sight. Some are loud and sudden, like a storm breaking the silence. Others are whispers in the genes, gentle nudges that steer the course of life. This was one such whisper, a quiet revolution. Humanity has always looked outward, to the stars and beyond. We search for life among the stars, hoping to find our cosmic neighbors. Perhaps the search was too narrow, too focused on the distant and the grand. Life finds a way, always. It adapts, it perseveres. It adapts, it changes, it becomes something new. The definition of human began to blur, to expand. Not by conquest from without, but by a transformation from within. A change in the very essence of our being. The first signs were imperceptible, almost invisible to the naked eye. A child with unusual eyes that held secrets of a new beginning, a mind that saw patterns others missed, a glimpse into the future of our kind. These new humans, they grew, they walked among us, yet apart. Their evolution was not of millennia. It was a compressed timeline. Each generation showed subtle refinements, sharper senses, faster thought, a different way of perceiving reality. They were human, undeniably, but also something more, or perhaps something other. Their traits were peculiar, not monstrous, not alien in form. Their eyes might hold unusual light, a depth that seemed to reflect starlight. Their empathy could be profound or strangely detached, analytical. They learned with astonishing speed. Complex systems were intuitive to them. Music, mathematics, the flow of energy. These were their native languages. The breakthrough came from genetics. Our DNA is a library of life. Billions of letters, stories of eons. Scientists found new chapters, unexpected sequences, markers unseen before. These were not random mutations. They showed design, complexity, a signature that was not entirely human. The evidence was undeniable, printed in the code of life itself. Imagine the scene: a laboratory late at night. A genetic sequencer hums. Data streams across a screen. Then, a pattern emerges. A segment of DNA unlike any known. It was elegant, efficient, alien. This was the moment of revelation. Humanity was no longer alone, not even within its own species. The scientific community reeled. Section 4. A World Divided, Humanity's Reckoning. This is the story of how humanity faced its greatest challenge yet. News of the hybrids could not be contained. It spread like wildfire, igniting fear and curiosity in equal measure. It leaked. Then it flooded. The information was everywhere and there was no turning back. Society fractured under the revelation. The world was no longer the same. Fear was a common reaction. Fear of the unknown, the different. People didn't know how to react. Xenophobia, once aimed at other nations, now found a new internal target. The hybrids became the new other. The other was among us, living next door, sharing our schools, our workplaces, our families. Governments struggled to respond. Some tried suppression, denial. Others initiated secret studies, attempting to understand, to control the situation, to find a way to coexist, or to eliminate the threat. The hybrids became a political issue. Debates raged on in parliaments and public forums, a security threat to some, a potential ally to others, a new hope to others. Laws were debated, rights questioned, the very fabric of society was being rewoven. What did it mean to be human anymore? Who decided who belonged? These were the questions that haunted everyone. Panic and prejudice grew in pockets, but so did resilience and understanding. The world was at a crossroads. Section 5. The Chorus of Tomorrow, Coexistence or Replacement. Then a hybrid child spoke, not to a government or a news crew, but to the world, directly, using the global network we built. Her message was simple, clear. We are here. We are part of you. We are the future. Do not fear change. Embrace it. Grow with us. The universe is vast. Life is diverse. Let us explore it together. Her broadcast split humanity further. Some heard a message of peace, of hope. They saw a path to a brighter future, a symbiosis, a shared destiny. Others heard a threat, a declaration, the gentle words masking an inevitable takeover. The lines were drawn more sharply, between those who welcomed the new dawn and those who resisted it. The debate raged on. Coexistence or replacement? They saw a path to a brighter future, a symbiosis, a shared destiny. Others heard a threat, a declaration, the gentle words masking an inevitable takeover. The lines were drawn more sharply between those who welcomed the new dawn